Hey y'all, how you doing? Shan Steve here, Crum God Martial Arts. I was talking to my son this morning, and he asked something interesting. This is my youngest son, Winston, and he asked me an interesting question. He said, Dad, did you love me more when I was a baby than you love me now? And it was kind of a strange question, but I think I know where he was coming from because I got a grandson now, and he sees me spending a lot of time with him. But it got me meditating, and the way I answered him is what I want to share with you too. Because I think that the condition that he's describing is a very, very common one in our lives, and it's wherever we're at, we're looking forward to the next level. We're looking for the next thing, and sometimes if we're not careful, we will fail to enjoy where we're at in the journey, and maybe miss out on something special. I explained to Winston that this happens to us, and that the reality is once our kids are growing, we always seem to miss the last stages, and I would venture to say that this is true in everything. So while this is not an excuse for complacency, and while certainly we are all looking ahead and working ahead always to our next levels, while we are building our businesses, while we are growing our children, while we are living our lives, I think that it's important to continue to move up and move on, but it's also equally important to make sure that we stop and enjoy our baby exactly where we're at. Enjoy the building of that business. Enjoy your training on your way to becoming a black belt. Enjoy your business as you're building it, and your children every stage of the way. Make sure that you make the moment to enjoy where you are today. See you soon.